Alright, so today we're going to be installing Ubuntu on our Windows machine, and we're going to be doing this as fast as possible, and we're going to see how fast we can get this installed on Windows using the Windows subsystem for Linux. So let's get right to it. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is enable this option. We gotta enable the Windows subsystem for Linux option. So we gotta copy this line here. I will post that in the comments. And we gotta open up a PowerShell. Probably run it as administrator. And we're gonna copy this line here once it turns on. Come on, PowerShell. There we go. Alright, we're going to paste this line here. Enable the Microsoft-Windows-Subsystem-Linux. Should only take a second. And it's going to ask us to restart the computer. So we're going to go ahead and restart the computer right now. Hit yes. End our video. Alright, so the computer is back on. So now if we go to the store, we should be able to look for Ubuntu and install Ubuntu right from there. Ubuntu 18 TLS or LTS, sorry. So we're gonna go ahead and get. Oh. No, thank you. Installing. Alright, let's wait for the install to finish. Alright, Ubuntu has been installed. Let's go ahead and launch Ubuntu and see what we got here. Well, it says this may take a few minutes, so let's give it some time here. Alright, so we need to create a username and a password. And there we go. We got an Ubuntu command line here. And that's all there is to it. Now you can just go ahead and start learning Linux just like that. It took about like 2 minutes and we had an Ubuntu command line running and it's ready for commands. And yeah, have fun learning. Thank you.